This is from CO Tech. Now we going to learn about how web server is working.
Web server. Web server is nothing but is a program which processes the network request of the users and serves them with files that create web pages. These exchange take place using Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Basically, web server or computer used to store HTTP file which makes a website, and when a client requests a certain website, it delivers the requested website to the client. For example, you want to open Facebook on your laptop and enter URL in Google search bar. Now the laptop will send a HTTP request to view the Facebook web page to another computer, such known as web server. This computer contains all the file in HTTP format, which makes up the website like text, image, zip file, etc. After processing the request, web server will send the requested website related file to your computer, and then you can reach the website. Different website can be stored on same or different web server, but that does not affect the actual website that you are seeing in your computer. The web server can be any software or hardware, but it usually a software running on a computer. One web server can handle multiple users at any given time, which is a necessity. Otherwise, there had to be a web server for each user, and it considering the current web world population, it nearly close to impossible. A web server is never disconnected from the internet, because if it was, then it won't be able to receive any request and therefore cannot process them. There are many web servers available in market, both free and paid. Now we going to see free web server like Apache HTTP server. It is most popular web server, and about 6% of world web server machines running this web server. The Apache HTTP web server was developed by Apache Software Foundation. It is an open source software, which means that we can access and make changes to its code and according to our preference. The Apache web server can be installed and operated easily on almost all operating systems like Linux, Mac OS, Windows, etc. Now we are going to see paid web server such like Sun Java system. This Sun Java system support various languages, scripts and technologies required for Web 2.0 such as Python, PHP, etc. It is not an open source software, and therefore its code is inaccessible, which means that we cannot make changes in the code to our needs. Thank you.